Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi 9T and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to the passwords and security. As you can see in this option bar we've got the fingerprint unlock, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint, and here we have to add an additional screen lock. We can choose a pattern pin or password. Obviously if you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now because it is an additional way to unlock your device, and it will be very helpful if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work. Then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the whole hard reset operation, which will wipe out all the data. So let me pick the pattern. For example, just tap on the thing, just tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see here, we've got also the info to remember your password. Actually, it says the same of what I just said. So just tap on got it, and here we have to set the pattern, do it again, so redraw it, and tap on confirm. And as you can see right now we have to add our fingerprint. We have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the side of our device, actually on the power button. So let me do it, let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. And try to catch every corner, move your finger, obviously for better recognition. Just try to catch everything. Okay, and as you can see right now we have to do it again, but we have to enroll our finger in order to add all of the edges of it, again for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see we just added our fingerprint successfully. So here we can rename it, but we can do it also later on, so just tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. After tapping on it we can rename it or remove it like you want to. So let me rename it, let me put the name. Here we have to confirm with this tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, it immediately changes. Under it we've got add fingerprint options, so obviously you can add multiple fingerprints to your device. Here we've got also the recognition method option, so after tapping on it you can choose if you'd like to unlock your device only with touching the power button or with pressing, so you will have to put your finger with the fingerprint you added on the sensor and press it. I will leave the touch option, and here you can decide for what you want to use your fingerprint for, so you can use it for privacy passwords, app lock, and fingerprint payments. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use or not. I will leave it like this. So here we can actually stop and try and check if we successfully added our fingerprint. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, we just successfully unblocked our device, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, let's check another option. And as you can see, if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, obviously right now it is not working because I'm using another finger, but if it won't work with the fingerprint you added, then you will still be able to unlock your device with, oh my god, with the pattern pin or password you set. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Redmi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.